Today, most of us wash our clothes after wearing them only once or twice. Something like jeans you can wear many times before you really have to throw them in the wash. We just need to stop overdoing it because it's not only damaging our clothes, using way too much water, too much energy. We really just need to wash less and wear more.
Misconception is that we need to use warm or hot water to clean our clothes, but in actual fact we can thoroughly clean our clothes in cold water too. And by turning down the temperature we can reduce our climate impact. Natural sunlight is going to be better than drying your clothes in a machine. I line dry because it saves so much energy. It also helps to maintain your clothes for longer.
If we want to discard our clothes, I think the best thing we can do is to donate to charity. But before we donate them, we can extend their life by restyling, repairing, and swapping our clothes.
Wash less, wash cold, line dry, and donate to charity.